Hey kids, we're back with our blues, and what we're going to do now is just start to use the darker colours in here. It says dark cyan blue. I'm going to make a wavy line across the back of the hills here like this, remembering to keep that clipping mask going on. And what I'm going to do is just redo that line because I don't really like that, so I'm going to just undo that, closing off that, and there we go. So then we're going to make another layer on top of here using the clipping mask. Go into layer 1, build up. This time I'm going to go into a lighter color here. I'm going to go into dark cyan blue. And this time I'm going to go and make a wavier line like that. And what I'm going to do now is just sort of put the waves into that one. I'm going to go into this one here. Close it off. I don't need to worry about it being underneath here because I'm going to fill it all in anyway. Like so. And I want to go into 3, probably 2 more layers, I think. So in dark cyan, so go to cyan blue. And maybe go to maybe use the cyan blue over there too. But what I'm going to do now is make a new layer. Go to level 1. Oh, I can see what I've done that's incorrect here. Perhaps you could spot that too. I've got that layer in here. I need to go and make a new layer. So let's go make a new layer. Go to layer 1, layer up. Go and get a lighter color this time, a lighter blue. Was it dark cyan? I think it's cyan blue this time. Make sure I've got a layer, got my clipping mask, good. That seems to be the same color. Let's go and get a lighter one, maybe the cyan blue this time. New layer, layer 8. Bring that around. And then we'll start to have something even lighter perhaps as we go up further up. Let's go and get that lighter color. So I've got the cyan blue over here. I want to go make a new layer. Go into layer 1, make it up. Make sure the clipping mask is there. And this time I'm going to make that a much taller hill. And drag the color in. And there we start to have 2, 3, 4, 5 colors going halfway up into my pill. And they could go a little bit taller for sure. But we got plenty of sky there, so it's about halfway and got plenty of space here. So you'll end up with now about 10 layers in total, layer 1, and then everything's going 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 there. So you'll have about 5 blues and then about 3 sort of greeny yellows. Okay, so just have a check, make sure that you are building up your layers. If you're not, you can always move them around. Okay, you can just move them in front of one another. Okay. So I'll let you have a go at that, and I'll see you in the next bit.